Conclusion. There's a lot to capture and understand when it comes to social media, so that you can use it to your benefit. Each company must create a strategy that is specific to its purpose. Your goals, message, and publishing calendars are not templates that can be downloaded. You can, however, get some templates to build these calendars and customize them to meet your brand and its audience's needs. So if you are a business that wants to get the word out and as many customers in as possible, this is the perfect tool for you to decode. What's more, you can grow a business just with your online presence at a fraction of the cost of what you would end up spending if you focused only on traditional techniques of marketing. You will hardly ever see anyone with internet access not have a Facebook account. No, we're not talking about your uber cool new age buddy who is beyond the drama of their peers. Facebook has gotten so big that it is virtually a nation and one that is extremely well connected. Platforms like Twitter and Instagram are also a part of this growth brigade, and everyone's lives have been overtaken by this magic. We'd call it a whirlwind, but it's more like a tsunami. The good kind, though. Well, for the most part. This is a great time for businesses to be thinking about maximizing their potential. For one, you don't need to spend as much and would still be justified in expecting tangible results from this strand of marketing. There is plenty of data that is being handed to you on a platter by users themselves. All you need to do is mine it and break it down so that you can reach them at a personal and real level. They keep saying this is the era of information and that data is today's oil. If you fail to miss that cue and make your mark, it is no one else's fault but yours and yours alone.